Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, over 2014 Renault Master, stock number 7235. It's ran from a knife 2011 to the current shape. Is a 162 X62 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the X62 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,